Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's adventure, I am taking you to Epcot's Flower and Garden Festival. Let's do it. I am so excited about this festival. I want to eat, and I want to shop, and I want to shop some more. I hear that the theme, the main central character for this Flower and Garden Festival is my spirit lady, my favorite character of all time, Alice in Wonderland. So let's do it. Rainstorm, not epic, just a rainstorm happening the first day of Flower and Garden. There's no lines. So, oh yes, I am here for that. The hair, not looking so good. Oh gosh, it's picking up. Okay, here we go. Chicken and waffles accomplished. I am hidden in a corner here trying to, there's like a storm coming in. It's kind of great because there's no lines, but it is making my chicken and waffles wet. Okay, so that was very good, very hearty. Fried chicken was delicious. The waffle was good. Not too much syrup, which was nice. Would I get it again? Probably not. I've had it once. But lovely. So let's just keep getting wet. Okay, hair is done for today. That's it. This is what it's going to be. And there you have it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I became a real serious, not serious. It was rain, but kind of cleared out the world, which I love. So looking at some merch. Oh my gosh, there's so many cute things. I'm in so much trouble. The fact that Alice is like the main character. Oh no, there's too much cute stuff. All right, and it's undercover. Okay, it's raining again. merch is so good. So Spike the Bee is a thing this year, but Alice is key. Oh my gosh. There's going to be purchases. Yes. Like I said, there's going to be purchases. I love it. This is actually kind of great, with the exception of my hair. The lines are like nothing. It's a nice warm rain. There's actually a lot of spots to kind of duck under. Don't be intimidated when it says it's gonna rain. Unless, like, you know, hurricane, but don't say the H word. That type of rain. But this is lovely, refreshing, and clearing some people out. All right, next up, Florida. Yes, oh, I want this. Okay, here we go. Something called Florida Fresh. Hall, and I am having from Florida Fresh the Cubanito and the conch fritters. That looks beautiful. That's very nice. I love a Cuban sandwich. It's warm. The cheese is amazing. I love the pickles in there. Very Cuban sandwich. And the ham is fantastic. Oh my gosh, my hair is amazing. That's really good. I have to tell you, I said it in my last video about a festival. Never come on the first day. I'm gonna have a major caveat to that, unless it's raining. This is glorious. No lines. Oh look, there's Ron on the go. Okay, I just saw Ron on the go. If you guys don't know his channel, I love Ron on the go. He does a lot of live streams. I think he's in the park almost every day. He's phenomenal, super fun. Check him out. Okay, so the conch fritter. Now, unfortunately, this one is a little cold, but it's really good. It's almost like a remoulade kind of tartar sauce they have with it. Absolutely delicious. It's a little chewy, and because it's cold, I'm not getting the best version of it. I like it. I wouldn't get it again. The Cubanito was awesome. Again, I think once you try these things, I don't know, unless something's absolutely amazing, I don't know if I'd go back for it. But yeah, now this is super fun. Apparently, there's tons of people leaving the park right now. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I have just found, in my opinion, so far, the two showstoppers food-wise. Wow, and they are both at Citrus Blossom at the Odyssey. This crispy shrimp tempura is glorious. It's not even that warm, but it is so good. The sauce is this beautiful citrus, tangy, lovely sauce. The shrimp is fantastic. It's got some sesame seeds on it. Absolutely perfect. And there's 5 of them, so that's a decent amount. But the brie, oh, the brie. I mean, come on. Putting brie in a puff pastry, it's not fair. You just moved ahead of everyone. Like, no one can compete with brie in a puff pastry. But then there's this beautiful, it's an orange lemon marmalade with limoncello, macerated blueberries and spiced macarona olives. Oh my gosh. This brie is amazing. You must get it. Hands down my favorite thing so far. And I'm dry. And by the way, I picked the perfect lounge fly for today. I kind of had a little bit of a hint. I'm going Caterpillar. It's all Alice all day long for Flower and Gardens here. I'm about to have the scallop from Communicore Hall. This looks beautiful. Canto is happening. The party's about to begin. Wow. That is delicious. Creamy, rich, beautiful. I literally stood there while they put this together, so it is nice and hot, beautiful. Wow. Definitely top of the list for this one. Shout it out. Sauce is so good. Wow. Amazing. There's like a risotto under there with a creamy olive oil. Alright, everybody, containing too much. I will never eat anything more for the rest of the day, but that is amazing. The scallop at Communicore Hall, spectacular. Beyond full, which I am at this point. When you're going through China and you see something called cream cheese filled wontons, oh, you're doing that. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. I know they have those. I believe they have them all the time. They have them every year. My hair is crazy. But they are so scrumptious. And it was almost like a dessert because it's got a really sweet, lovely, tangy, sort of like a chili, but a sweet chili sauce. Absolutely delicious. Never seen this before. These are birds, I think. So cool. I'm on the bridge. I have made it to Italy and a well-earned Prosecco. I'm so full. But I was like, you know what? I'll just keep walking as long as I can get to Italy and a well-earned perspective. What a spectacular day. Oh my gosh. I went insane with the merch. Yeah. I got a pillow. I got a cup. I got a little tray. I went insane. It's Alice. I don't know what to tell you. She's my favorite. Always has been. Always will be. Cheers to that. Disney, you got me this year. You definitely got me this year. This has been an amazing first day. Man, oh man, is it awesome when it rains. Just keep going when the weather is nice and a little rain clears out this park. I think I got some really, really great booths done. Oh, the food has been amazing. I don't know if I can eat anything else. I might stop in France on my way out. I just don't think I can do it. But I say cheers, and wow, what a great day. And what a great start to the festival. This has been so fun. Completely redeemed my last first day at the other festival, Festival of the Arts. Wow, that was a madhouse, a total nightmare. Always vowed I wouldn't do it again. Don't know why I did it today, just felt like doing it. Turned out to be epic, so you just never know. Cheers. Okay, there is no question. I am so full beyond words, it's not even funny. But I feel like I came. I saw, I conquered. Flower Garden on day one. In spite of the rain and all of it, it was so much fun, so epic. Tons of merch, wow. I really overdid it. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It was Alice's year, so I enjoyed it all day long. So I had the best time. I can't do France. I can't do it. I'm so full. It's just more cheese, which I would love, but I can't do it. Oh, it's so nice out now. Okay, so just so you know, of course, the minute the rain stopped, the crowds really picked up. It is epically crowded once again on the first day of a festival. Not surprising. My hair is out of control. All right. So I'm going to call it a day, and that was so much fun. So as the sun sets on one of my favorite places on earth, this beautiful lagoon right outside of Epcot, with boardwalk, yacht club, beach club, swan and dolphins surrounding it. Absolutely gorgeous day. It's blustery, it's windy, the sun is out, and it is setting. So I am full beyond words. I had the absolute best time. I have to say, the food was incredible, like surprisingly good. The scallops from Communicore Hall were absolutely phenomenal. The risotto underneath, the cream, the sauce, everything about it was perfection. I absolutely loved that crispy tempura. That is just, that is my jam. I love that. That was delicious. But the winner for me is that brie at the Odyssey. Woof, that was amazing. I mean, come on, gorgeous. Those blueberries, what are they doing? They're putting them in limoncello. Like, that's not fair to anybody else, any other booth. It's not fair. So that was my favorite dish. I loved it. The merch was incredible. I've got two huge bags. Yeah, I've got two huge bags. They did it. I did it. What can I say? I had a great time. Highly recommend. If you want to come on the first day, try to have it rain. It really helps. I'm leaving now. It's about 5:30. It is an absolute madhouse in there right now. Again, first day, just so you know, it is totally crazy. But because of the rain, cleared out, no lines. It was spectacular. I had the best day. I want to thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you soon.